So you've decided to boost your production with a pallet system, but you're not sure if you should go Mini or Pro. Well, let's compare both systems to find out which is a smarter choice for your production. As you know, palletized work holding is an incredible way to boost production compared to a vise. You save a ton of time in setup by using a common origin, moving all the parts in and out of the machine together, and limiting your tool changes to once per pallet instead of once per part. Plus, if you ever have to use a vise, you just bolt it to a pallet, indicate it once, and you're set for life. I also refer to pallet systems as high density work holding because unlike a vise, the entire top surface of the pallet is usable, whereas a vise body takes up unused and valuable space on the table. Both our Mini and Pro pallet systems offer these advantages. Now, the differences between our two pallet systems comes down to three factors: cost, size, and holding power. For our Mini pallet system, we simplified the design to reach a price point that's nearly half the cost of the Pro pallet system. With a smaller base and two smaller pallet sizes, the MPS is the perfect choice for smaller machines and tables that are tight on space. It still packs 1,500 pounds of holding force, which is plenty for spindles under 8 horsepower. With no perimeter seal, it's ideal for air or mist coolant conditions, but will still function normally with flood coolant. Our 4th generation Pro pallet system is a workhorse and ready for the most demanding production situations. Sure, it's nearly twice the price of the Mini, but it offers 4 larger pallet sizes to fit more parts or larger parts. It also packs 3,000 pounds of downward holding force, which handles any spindle power, and has a perimeter seal to dramatically reduce the clearing of chips and coolant between pallet changes. So which one should you get? Well, for production shops, the Pro is the obvious choice. And for the hobbyists, the Mini is the go-to system. For customers somewhere in the middle, I usually ask, where do you want to go with your machining? If you have a smaller machine and can fit the Pro, I would definitely recommend that direction because you'll never outgrow it. But if you're tight on table space and you think you might be swapping it out for other methods, don't push it with the Pro. The right approach is to keep your system on the table all the time and build fixtures on it, not around it. Customers have told me, and I agree, that the worst thing you can do is to be taking a system on and off, which defeats the point of fast changeovers and reduced setups. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out our starter package for the Mini and Pro pallet systems on sale now at PearsonWorkholding.com. Now, go innovate your production.